Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to create a chart of account. I would say this is a very basic for MYOB that and ACA ABSS is a must for every accounting software. The body is chart of account. You have to start from chart of account and then you can go for create customer and supplier. Without a chart of account, I would say that it won't be called accounting software. Okay, so we go to account list, asset, liability, equity, income, cost of sales, expenses, and other income and other expenses. This we call it is a big category. It will appear at where? It will appear at your balance sheet and your profit and loss. So asset, let's start from asset. Asset, you can see from here, asset is 1-000, liability is 2-00, equity is 3, income is 4, cost of sales is 5, expenses is 6, other income is 8, and other expenses is 9. That is what we call hard code or a prefix code that you can't change. What you can change is the 4 digit behind that. So basically, we will create one set of standard chart of account for you, or you can give us your chart of account. We'll do it exactly your format to you. But after that, if you want to add a new chart of account, how are you going to do it? So very simple. Let's start from here. Let's say I want to create a new expenses account. Maybe it's called a meal. It's meal. I give meal to my staff. So let's create a new. But before you click new, this icon, take a look that you want to slot your chart of account, these meals at where. Let's say this meal, I want to slot it under employment expenses and it's after other employer expenses. So look at here, 5130, 5140, 5150. The next number will be 5160. Let's make a guess. Why is 5160? Why not 5151? The answer is you can create 5151, nothing goes wrong. You also can create 5160, also correct. But the difference is, let's say you want to slot something in between this 5150 and 5151. There is nothing called 0.5 in our system. So normally we will recommend our clients that give every chart of account 10-digit space. So just in case in between you want to slot anything, you can slot. Maybe for example, you think about you want to slot something is called maybe entertainment. You can slot in between 5150 to 5160. You can create maybe 5155 or 5153, 5154, whatever it is. Okay, so create new 5160, tap button, and this is the meals. Just click OK. You can see it will appear at here. So you can see this up down button. Up is for the level. When you up this level, meaning to say this meals is same level with employment expenses. It won't under this employment expenses as a subcategory. So normally I would say that since this meals is under the employment expenses, you should make it down. Will be down one level from the employment expenses. So this will be the header. Okay. So again, expenses 6-0 is level 1. Level 2 is employment expenses. Level 3 is my meal. Maximum MYOB can go up to level 4. It's 4 level. Okay. Hopefully you can learn something from today's video tutorial. Goodbye.